tell you the truth, everyone, I'm so nervous right now. Ang gagawin ko lang po is, hindi ako ready. I didn't know na mag-speech po ako in front of all of you. So, before ko start yung aking speech, I would like to say thank you to God that He guide us all to be here. He is the reason why we are here. We should put God in everything we do in life because without Him, we are nothing. Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mentor, especially po sa teacher namin na si Mama Red. Thank you po. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Dahil sa inyo, malaki po ang naitulong ninyo sa amin. Kasi kung wala po kayo, wala kami dito ngayon. Sana po, ipatuloy niyo po yung pagtuturo po sa amin. Kasi kayo po yung nagbibigay ng pag-asa na makapagtapos po kami ng pag-aaral. Kasi lahat po kami, meron kaming pangarap. I mean, all of us, we have different kinds of suffering in life. Like, we have different kinds of experience na dapat nating malampasan. I'm sorry sa iba na hindi makaintindi ng Tagalog. Taglish na lang. Taglish na lang. Oh my God, my heart is beating so fast. I mean, yes. Okay, so I would say that we made it. We did a great job of continuing our dreams. Like minsan ang kalaban natin is hindi yung mga taong nakapaligid sa atin, but our own selves. We say sometimes you said to ourselves, I can do it. Sometimes we said, no, I wanted to give up. I can't do it anymore. But because of the care of the other people surround us, who is there to support everything that they, especially to our teacher, they keep telling us that you can do it. Continue to dream even you are not becoming younger anymore. So just do what you can do. Don't think the other people what they are going to say about you, because in the end of the day, you are the only one who will lift up yourself to pursue your dreams. So sa mga kasamahan ko dito, to my fellow graduate, sana gawin natin yung kung ano man yung dapat nating gawin, na hindi tayo mag-give up whatever happened in our life. No matter what happened, just continue dreaming. Do whatever it takes. Do what makes you happy. Don't let other people bring you down. Kasi sometimes, lagi natin sinasabi sa sarili natin na bakit sila nagagawa nila, ako hindi. Why? Tapos yun yung nagiging dahilan. Kasi minsan, mas pinapakinggan natin yung other people kung what they are going to say to us. That's the thing that can bring us down. So, what you think is right, do it. Kasi even you fails, then fails again. Then, kung magkamali ka, continue. Gawin mo lang na alam mo sa sarili mo na yun yung kaya mong gawin. Huwag mong hayaan yung ibang tao na ida-down ka. Kasi ikaw yun eh. Hindi nila kilala kung ano yung nasa kalooban mo. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much. That was so nice. I will give you 10.